Hello guys, welcome to my channel Costography, and in today's video I have another Hoya unboxing. This time this Hoya is from Kokoranch Hoyas. If you guys have watched my channel, you guys know that I do multiple Hoya unboxings, and Kokoranch Hoyas is one of my favorite online vendors. I heard a lot of people are having issues with their Hoya cuttings, so they arrive in really bad condition, but I personally have never had an issue with Kokoranch. I feel like all of the Hoyas that I receive from her are very healthy and very very lush. And so I like Kokoranch, and I do recommend Kokoranch to anyone that's trying, that wants to order from Kokoranch. I think that she has really nice Hoyas, really nice affordable prices. So in this video I have a Hoya unboxing from so this is funny. So I have the cultivar of this Hoya. I have Hoya Irina, which I'm gonna insert a little video clip right here so you guys can see. So Hoya Irina is a cultivar of two other Hoyas. So you have Hoya finlaysonii, and then you have Hoya meredithii, or verticillina, however you call it. It's the same Hoya, it just has two different names. So those are the two parents that make Hoya Irina. So I have Hoya Irina, but I wanted to have one of the parents, or I want to have both of them, but for now I have one. I found one on Hoya Kokoranch Hoyas, and it's Hoya vitellinoides or Hoya meredithii, same Hoya. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So this picture right here, this is what I'm actually expecting to arrive on this box. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, Hoyas can be mutated or crossbreed into to form other kind of Hoyas. If you pollinate a flower from one Hoya and then you get the pollen from another Hoya flower, you create a different kind of breed, and that makes a Hoya CV. For example, you have Hoya CB Sunrise or Hoya CB Lacunosa. That means that it has two parents to create this Hoya, if that makes any sense. But anyways, so I already opened the box from the top, and something that I don't like from her packaging is that she does add these little puffs. I don't know how you call them. They're water soluble, so that's fine, but it makes a big mess. But here it is. I'm gonna get rid of this. So it's a pretty large Hoya, so I'm gonna cut the bottom of it. Oh my god, guys! You see the mess that it makes? It makes a huge mess. But here is the Hoya. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! This Hoya, it has a peduncle. It has a peduncle. I was not expecting it to have peduncle, guys. I'll do a close-up right here so you guys can look. Okay, so let's start with the leaves. Huge, amazing, gorgeous leaves, guys. I cannot. It has huge, veiny leaves, kind of like my meredithii. Super thick leaves. It does need a little bit drink of water. This leaf is very kind of, wilted. Very, very mushy. So it is thirsty. But this leaf over here, it's very thick, and this one, it's thick. Just this one I think is new. This one might fall off, I'm not sure. Oh my god, this is crazy, guys. This Hoya, it's amazing, and the peduncle is right there. Oh my god. So this is not a cutting, this is an actual Hoya. It's rooted. Oh my god, I'm so happy. You guys see, what to tell you guys, and this was only $45 on Kokoranch, very cheap. I'm shocked, guys. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful Hoya. I am in shock at how beautiful this Hoya is. So yeah, Kokoranch Hoya does amazing Hoyas. I'll leave a link on the description box if you guys want to check her website. She does random restocks, but overall she always has great Hoyas, and a lot of the Hoyas that I get from Kokoranch always grow big and vibrant. So yes, if you guys want to check her out. So I'll leave the link on the description box. But this was it for today's video. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. By the way, I actually ordered some leca online from Amazon, so I might do a video on transitioning some Hoyas from soil to leca. If you guys want to look at, if you guys want to see that, leave me a comment down below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to drink water and water your plants.